What is up guys, welcome back to another video. This video will be about how I trade in the market, how a professional like me analyzes his trade, so that you can learn a thing or two from this video. And we probably will be talking about what is copy trading, some ICT concepts as well, demand zone, supply zone, the basic stuff, how you can trade. So let's get started. In here I'm probably gonna go with the buyers. If I see some strong rejections from the buyers, I'm gonna go with the buyers. If I see some strong rejections, I'm most likely gonna go with the buyers here. Just by looking at the trend, overall trend, I'm gonna go with the sellers here, just because they are just overpowering the sellers every single time, and they just broke this level as well. So that's why I just went with the sellers. So now we'll just wait and see how does it go. I think it's looking pretty good. Let's wait. And by the way guys, you can also copy all of these trades automatically in copy trading. So if you don't know what copy trading is, so in which it's like if I place a $100 trade and you copy me with like 10%, so a $10 trade will be placed in your account, because 10% of $100 is $10. So a $10 trade will be placed in your account, and if I win that trade, you will also win that trade, because both of our trades will be identical. And here you guys can see we have won this trade as well. And by the way, here are my previous results. As you guys can see, it's good. I'm not saying I'm good, I'm saying that the results are good. So you can do that if you would like to. You can copy us directly in the broker. Just message us on the Instagram or Telegram, the link will be in the description, or you can just search STradePO on the Telegram and you'll find our group. In here I'm gonna go with the buyers here, just because I'm pretty confident in this trade, because here you can see we are in a kind of an uptrend. It's just a green rally, it's just a buyers rally here. So just trusting on the instinct and how it is looking to me, I'm just gonna go with the buyers, because we also do have a small common point of rejection plus the moving average here. So that's why I'm just gonna go with the buyers. Plus I use big risks just because this is a higher probability setup. So the thing is that if you know how to differentiate higher probability setups from the lower ones, you have learned trading, because higher probability setups mean that there is higher probability that you're gonna win that trade. And if you use higher risk and higher probability trades like these ones, you're gonna make money, of course. Even if you have like 30% accuracy, doesn't really matter, because the 70% of the times you are losing, they are mostly gonna be of low risk, low investments and low probability setups. So if you have 30% accuracy with higher probability setups, of course you're gonna end up profitable, bro. And people ask me all the time, like, what's your accuracy, bro? I don't need accuracy to be profitable. Do you understand this? Do the basic fucking maths, bro. I don't need accuracy to be profitable. The only thing I need is money, like how much I'll win when I win, and how much I lose when I lose. When I lose $10. When I win $100. That's a difference between you and me. Plus my accuracy isn't even as low as yours. My accuracy is pretty good. And here I just went with the buyers here, just because in the previous candle, as you saw, that we broke the zone in here, and then we had a red candle that tried to cover up this candle, and it did almost the halfway. But then we saw some rejections from the buyers that indicates that it's probably gonna go up, just because look at the previous candle, how big was it? And since we saw some rejections here, and that's what I thought, that it's gonna go up. Just by looking at the candlestick, you can see where the market is gonna go, because these are all just previous stats, okay? And this rejection right here was a proof that the buyers are active in this zone. Plus this candle was a huge candle, okay? So when people who were buying here, they saw that it broke the zone, so they sold. And when they sold, this red candle was here. And when were they done selling, more buyers entered, and boom, here's my profit. You can see my stats right here. I mean, I'm not saying that it's good, but you can say it for yourself. How many trades I've taken, you can see. Plus, I share these kind of signals in my group daily, almost daily, and you can copy me directly on the broker if you would like to. Plus, I share the analysis why I took this trade in my group as well. So it's just a win-win situation. You are literally getting paid to learn. So if you would like to join us, you can join from the link in the description or search @SShadePO on Telegram and work with us there. Now let's move on to our next trade. 13 seconds left. Let me just find some good entry here. Here we are seeing some rejection. If this candle ends in green, I'm gonna go with the buyers because I feel like we still have some chances, but I guess not. But still, I'm gonna go with the buyers just because here you can see we are kind of consolidating in here. But overall, we are in an uptrend, and since we are in an uptrend in here, you can see that the market has reversed from here like a couple of times, and the last candle was this huge candle. But the thing is that it ended in red, but it wasn't a strong red candle. So you feel me what I'm trying to say here? So that's why I just placed a trade for the buyers here, and now we'll just wait and see how does it go. And by the way, you guys can check out my other videos as well if you would like to learn about copy trading. It was a close one, not gonna lie, bro. But yeah, a win is a win, bro. I'll take it. A win is a win with a little bit of luck, lots of practice, and lots of knowledge. You can also achieve these kind of results right here. All of it is in front of you. I don't even know how many trades I took, but the results is here. You can check it out, and you can copy it directly on the broker. If you were in my team, you would have copied all these trades today and would have made money while you were sleeping. You could have done that, but you haven't. But now you have another chance to do so. And let me know what kind of video do you want next in the comment section. And by the way, message us on the Telegram before it's too late, because it's not gonna be free forever. You can copy us directly on the broker, plus we share our trade plus analysis in there, plus copy trading settings. And you know, I'm the best trader ever, because if you haven't seen my previous video, I highly recommend that you watch it, because in that I showed that I was the top trader for the day, for the week, for the month, for all the session, for all the season. So I'm not just bragging, it's just my stats. So you know, my stats is kind of a flex in and of itself. So after you are done messaging us on the Telegram or Instagram, check out this video on your screen. YouTube thinks that you might like it. I'll see you in the next video.